Okay, we have our materials, and what we're going to start with is just one of these square sheets that you have prepared for today. And so let's begin. To start, we want to fold our paper in half like this. Then we want to unfold it, rotate it, and fold it in half again. Then we unfold it. We are going to grab this bottom edge and fold it into this center line. And we'll do that to the other side as well. Once we have that, we are going to unfold it. And for here, we'll need some scissors. What we are going to do is we are just going to cut right there. And that's it. And we'll do that to the other side right here. Then the next thing we are going to do is we're going to turn it over and fold this flap backwards like this, and another one backwards like that. Then you can just fold this back like that. Now with the remaining 3 papers that you have, I want you to make 3 more identical looking papers like this. Give you time to pause the video and make those. Okay, so I have my 4 pieces of paper now, and we're going to start with just 2. And so what I want you to do is to rotate and have both papers facing each other. And when making this project, it's important that you follow the orientation that I am doing. And so make sure that your papers, the open sides, are facing in. So what we're going to do with these 2 pieces of paper is to just line it up. And we are going to grab our glue stick. And we are going to glue this top section of both pieces. Now that we're all glued up, we're going to grab a 3rd piece, and this is where the bottom side is. We're going to turn that around like this and stick it right here to this first one. Like that. And to stick on the second one, we are just going to turn this around and stick it right there. And now that we've done that, we are going to turn this around, put glue right here. Then we'll grab our 4th piece, making sure that the open side is on the top right like this, and glue it down. And with that, we've successfully made our never-ending flipping book. And so what you can do now is to just test it out, see if it's working all right, loosen it up a bit. It looks like it's working just fine. If there was any part during this tutorial that was confusing, feel free to just go back and watch it again. Now it's time to decorate our book. So let's grab your markers and your pens or whatever you want to use. I'll be using this black pen right here. So what we are going to be doing is I'm going to be drawing crosses. So just follow what I do. There's my cross. And you can just decorate it however you want. Now keep the same orientation, and you're going to open it. And now you're going to draw another cross without rotating it. Like this. Same thing, we're going to flip it without rotating it. Draw another cross. One more to go, so open it up without rotating it and draw another cross. After you've drawn all 4 crosses, you can enjoy opening up your never-ending book to find a never-ending cross. So let's talk about how this craft relates to Jesus' death and resurrection. Death is an uncomfortable and even scary topic for both children and adults. We often don't like to think or talk about it, which is why it's so important that we understand that we have this hope in Jesus. Even though death means an end to our life on earth, we have so much more to look forward to with Jesus in heaven. And much like this never-ending flipping book, we live on forever because Jesus' power lets us live forever. Trust Jesus. So hopefully as you continue to play around with your never-ending book, that you are continually reminded of God's never-ending love for you. Yeah, we'll see you on day 4.